Kids, we were working on the BC Calculus 8.7 Taylor and Maclaurin series, and we just got started with the first degree Taylor polynomial approximation. And we ended the lesson then by going over a polynomial expansion of functions, looking at the power series centered at C. So we have all of our P sub n, our polynomial, our P prime, our P double prime, P triple prime, and the nth derivative of the polynomial expressions. And so I wanted to just finish by recapping with this that we wanted to let x equal c. So we're considering P of c, P prime of c, P double prime of c, and so on, and what that would look like. So you can kind of see, we talked about this, and we ended about right here, and then I wrote what the polynomial centered at c would look like. So you can see that we didn't quite finish it. I wanted to recap that with why we have the values that we have here. So let me move this out of the way and move it down to the bottom. So we've got, if you notice, I put the polynomial expansion right below it using the A constants there, so you can kind of see what I was doing. So if you look down below now, f of c is going to equal a sub 0. F prime of c is going to equal a sub 1. So each one of these constant expressions that we have in here, what it turned out when I did take the derivative, you saw the values that I got up here. So if you see where you just have the constants, and we have p prime of c is equal to a sub 1, p double prime of c is equal to 2a sub 2. What I did in this last step is I took all of the values that we got, or the expressions we got, a sub 0, f of c is a sub 0, f prime of c is a sub 1, so f of c is a sub 1, f double prime of c, where's my pen? F double prime of c here, it's any black here, f double prime of c is 2a sub 2, which is 2 times 1, a sub 2. So that would mean that f double prime of c equals 2a sub 2. That would mean f double prime of c over 2, or over 2 factorial, is equal to a sub 2. So I kind of lined them up there so you can see how am I getting those factorials. The same thing is true all the way across. If you see f triple prime is equal to p triple prime of c is equal to 6a sub 3. And as you go across, you have all these expressions that, oh, that's where the factorials are coming from, because each of the denominators is going to build so that your final end term you can see highlighted in that color of light green, that you see that it's a sub n is then equal to the nth derivative evaluated at c over n factorial. So I just wanted to line those up so you could see what they look like and make sure that you weren't just going out with something that was rather vague or obscure. Okay, so listen, study for your test. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Alan out.